you guys for my viewers. Are you it? Oh, thank you guys, and so much. Thank you guys. We got this slow. God, what videos? I had 5 viewers and my lot of views. What the fuck, guys? Thank you. I love you so much. Guys, I love you. Guys, but it's not. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. I mean, tomorrow I'm gonna upload again. I'm lying about the upload more. Yeah, let me upload it. Subscribers. She had 8 subscribers. Guys, subscribe. Look, please. Subscribe.
And please subscribe.
Right. Look at my videos. Look at my videos. Look, 8 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. If you know him, he's my cousin. Ano pa? Pangit mo! Where are you? Ruin. Guys, this is him. Did you follow him in YouTube? Bro. You're gonna ruin it. Bro! You ugly person! You ugly person! Okay, we will get out. Pangit mo tao. Guys, I'm in Tagalog. Tagalog ako. Pero malaki ang ngipin ko. Yun. Pangit ka! Ano sinasabi mo? Sabi ko lang. May sinasabi lang ako.